Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone camera black screen problem. So let's get started. So here's a quick fix. First, make sure that your actual camera being black is ensuring that you don't have a case that can be blocking the front camera or the black camera depending on which one it is, especially if you install a new case. Sometimes the case doesn't fit right and you could adjust from back here. First, make sure that your case is not interacting with the camera. Then simply block that case. Now that is going to be simplest fix. The next fix is going to be actually cleaning out your camera lenses. Sometimes it gets dirt or dust. It can actually cause the cameras not to function correctly. So I would recommend is taking a microfiber cloth, just simply wiping down those lenses, making there's no dust, debris or alcohols. Same thing with front camera. There's a camera right here, you can see on the top notch. We are going to wipe them down, and hopefully it's simple. Just wipe this camera, front camera and back camera with a microfiber cloth, and most probably it will solve the problem. Now make sure that if you have enough storage on your iPhone, because sometimes not having enough storage also cause this problem. To do it, you have to go to settings, then you have to tap on to general, then go to iPhone storage, and make sure that you have enough storage. And if you don't have enough storage, tap on to the apps you don't use and consuming the most storage. As example, mine is consuming the photos. You just have to tap on to empty, and you can delete from this iPhone. Or if you want to do it with another phone like TikTok, you just can tap on to upload app. It will just delete the app but keep its data on your iPhone. So that's it. These methods should solve your problem. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.